Imagine this. Two boxers, mid-fight, sweat flying, the crowd roaring, and then, out of nowhere, a bolt of lightning crashes into the ring. In the 1930s, a professional boxing match in New York was shockingly interrupted when lightning struck the metal roof of the outdoor arena. The jolt traveled through the ring, knocking both fighters to the canvas and stunning the crowd into silence. Miraculously, both men survived, but the bout was immediately stopped for safety. Can you picture a more electrifying way for a fight to end? Would you have kept boxing after that?